Step-by-step guide, how to develop a customer journey map. Are you ready to take your business to new heights? Today, we're going to show you how to develop a powerful customer journey map, step by step. Buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey. Step 1. Define your customer persona. To create a customer journey map that resonates with your audience, you need to understand who they are. Conduct market research, surveys, or interviews to define your customer persona. Let's meet Sarah. Sarah is a tech-savvy millennial who values convenience and eco-friendly products. By knowing her motivations and preferences, you can tailor your customer's journey map to meet her needs. Step 2. Determine the stages of the customer journey. Now that you know who your customer is, let's break down the journey into distinct stages. Sarah embarks on an incredible journey that starts with a moment of awareness when she first discovers your brand. After that, consideration kicks in as she carefully assesses your products or services. Next is the purchase stage, where she makes a buying decision. Finally, there's the post-purchase stage, where she becomes a loyal advocate. Understanding these stages helps you identify key touchpoints and deliver a seamless experience for Sarah. Step 3. Identify touchpoints. Every interaction that occurs between Sarah and our business serves as a crucial touchpoint. From your website to social media, customer service, and the purchase process, every touchpoint matters. By identifying all these touchpoints, you'll have a comprehensive view of Sarah's journey and opportunities to engage with her throughout. Step 4. Map customer emotions and actions. Let's dive deeper into Sarah's emotions and actions at each touchpoint. Is she frustrated with slow response times? Excited about new product launches? By understanding her emotions and actions, you can identify pain points and areas for improvement. For example, if Sarah feels overwhelmed during the checkout process, you can simplify it to enhance her experience. Data analytics can provide valuable insights into Sarah's emotions and actions. Step 5. Analyze pain points and opportunities. Now that you have data on Sarah's emotions and actions, it's time to analyze it. Look for patterns or recurring issues that hinder her experience. Identify pain points such as difficulties finding product information or contacting customer support. These pain points become opportunities for improvement. Addressing them will create positive experiences and exceed Sarah's expectations. Step 6. Visualize the customer journey map. It's time to bring your customer journey map to life. Use the information you've gathered to create a visual representation of Sarah's journey. Choose flowcharts, timelines, or any format that suits your needs. This visual depiction provides a clear view of the stages, touchpoints, emotions, and actions of Sarah's journey. Step 7. Implement changes and monitor results. Now comes the exciting part: implementing changes based on your insights. Optimize touchpoints, invest in technologies, or adjust internal processes to enhance Sarah's experience. But don't stop there. Continuously monitor the impact of these changes. Use data analytics to measure customer satisfaction levels and make adjustments needed for steady growth. Step 8. Continuously evolve and update. Remember, customer journeys are not set in stone. They evolve over time as preferences change. Regularly update and refine your customer journey map to stay attuned to Sarah's changing needs and expectations. This ensures your map remains relevant and effective in nurturing strong customer relationships. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to create a powerful customer journey map. By following these steps and using real-life examples like Sarah's journey, you can elevate your business to new heights. So go ahead, grasp the path your customers take, and unlock the door to success.